what are the steps or what are the ways in that way you can get all India rank 1, how you can change your mindset, how you can improve your mindset. Let us give some mock test, and that will be a motivation for them. Even a average student will also get very good rank in a GATE exam if you work consistently. Hello everyone, welcome to GATE Wallah. In this session we are going to talk about what are the steps or what are the ways in that way you can get all India rank 1 or a single digit rank in a GATE type of exam. First of all, see, getting all India rank 1 in a real life, first you have to visualize this thing in your mindset. In your mind, you have to be very sure that you can get all India rank 1. So mindset is the main thing. Now, how you can change your mindset, how you can improve your mindset. Like for example, I'm giving some example to you. A average student will think how much syllabus is left for us. But a topper will always think, sir, how many times I have to cover this syllabus or how many times I have to revise this syllabus. A average student will think, sir, what are the subject which we have to focus more? He will search about maximum weightage subject and all. But an average student will see, okay, from this particular chapter, this topic has been not like they have not asked question from the last 5 years from this chapter or from this topic. Maybe next year they can ask a question. So this is the change in the mindset. Average student will think, okay, daily motivation I will watch, half an hour, 1 hour I will watch the motivation session, and then the next 1 hour I will be fully motivated. After that, again, the demotivation will come. But but all India rank student or ranker student, what they will think, okay, let us solve some good questions, let us learn the concept, let us revise the concept, let us solve some mock tests, or let us give some mock test, and that will be a motivation for them. That means learning, keep on improving, that will be a motivation for them. Next, what average student will think, see, random study, like one day I will study 10 hour, another day I will say study 5 hour, next day 2 hour, like that. So it is random type of study you are doing it. But a ranker, a all India rank student will always plan its preparation. So planned way execution will be done. Every day a consistent hour will be given. Some extra, some less will be okay, but every day minimum number of hours of study will be definitely given by the student. So this is the thing. Every day minimum hours are required for you. Next, the real formula is what? For all India rank, basic formula which we say to all of the student, it is the concept, revision, PYQ, mock test, consistency. The same thing you have to follow continuously. The same thing you have to follow continuously. Concept, revision, PYQ, mock test, and consistency. What you have to avoid is that one day you are going for 14 hours study, next day you are not going for any hours, like 0 hours study. One day, like you are thinking, oh, only the expensive coaching student will get all India rank 1. No. You have seen the last year score and all. La. Many students got all India single digit rank, all India rank 1 from basic coaching, what we provide to you. High IQ, not at all required. Even a average student will also get very good rank in a GATE exam if you work consistently, if you work in a focused manner with the right guidance in a consistent manner. So this is the something which is required for you. The biggest mistake what aspirants will do, oh, I will start my serious preparation once na Diwali will be over, once na my birthday will be over, once na April will be over, once May will be over, once my semester exam will be over. This is basically you are just delaying your success. Start whenever you feel, start before itself. Because see, when you start, slowly you will learn something, you will improve something. Daily you will improve yourself, like daily you will get some improvement also. slowly you will feel now I'm in complete serious mode of preparation. So start as early as possible. That is definitely gonna help you a lot. So start as early as possible. Don't wait for a perfect moment. So now 3 level you have to cross to get AIR1. First, building strong concept. For that you have to watch the complete class. You have to learn the concept in a deep manner, make short notes properly, practice basic problem or the problem which is given in the class, daily practice sheet, weekly test. You have to give all those things. Then comes the PYQ part. Then you have to first solve all the GATE PYQ, especially last 15 year. You have to solve definitely. Then you have to practice some repeated concepts, which is every time they are asking it. So the repeated concept you have to focus more, highlight it. I'm not saying that the rest concept you have to avoid, but repeated concept you have to work slightly more. Level 3rd is the mock test. You have to dominate in the mock test. How you can dominate in the mock test? Start giving the mock test. Whatever part you feel you are weaker, improve on those weak section, and then accuracy, improvement, speed, all these things you have to improve. And once you will do this, definitely you can dominate the mock test part. And while doing so, you will also get to know how to handle the exam pressure. So this level 1, level 2 and level 3, you have to follow very sincerely for all the subjects, for all the syllabus. Revision. See, revision is very important thing for all of you. Revision, AIR1 student revise until formula becomes automatic. For like the formula will come in your blood. You can feel it that every time a formula will be asked to you, you can easily say that formula. You can easily write that formula. Concept will become visible to you. Problem solving becomes very fast to you. This type of revision you have to do. So study, revision, test, analysis, improvement. This is the complete winning cycle for you. Next, why are the PYQs are important? Again, I am telling it. See, PYQ is not only for practice. First of all, note down this part. PYQs are not only for practice, it is for the consistent improvement, and you also get to know that what type of question they are forming. Or this is basically a, I will say, clue given to all of you by the examiners. So PYQs you have to analyze in a much better way, and then you have to practice. Definitely everyone will practice, but you have to analyze it also. Then I will say there are some distraction also, which generally I will say this distraction is something which is not seen in a topper's life. Like continuously scrolling either social media, any platform you are scrolling it, completely avoid that. If you are using Telegram, so in a Telegram also you have to join limited group. You have to be active only for a particular duration. Let's say evening 1 hour when you are walking, maybe in a park, or you are just relaxing it. That time you can give 1 hour for that. Or maybe at the night when you have so many doubt for that, like whole day you have studied something and then you have doubt that you want to discuss, then join the then you can discuss that in the group. So only for a limited time, and only for the work which you wanted to do related to your exams, not for chit chatting or not for social media activity. Comparing with the others, do not do that. Compare only with the marks which you get in your recent mock test. And then in that mock test, if you are having a competition, that is something which you can feel it. Like, okay, in this mock test, I want to get the best. In this mock test, I want to get the best. So always start improving by your past. Like yesterday you got 60 marks in your test series. Now next day you have to think about 70 or 65. Then next day 70, 75, 85. Like that you have to improve. So AIR1 student protects focus, time and energy. See, if you are able to protect these three things, you can use these things for your preparation. Focus, time, energy, all these three things are very much required for the AIR1 part. Or I will say the best rank of yourself. These three things matter a lot. You can consider this as a triangle. Focus, time and energy. You have to devote all these three things only for the preparation part, not for any other work. Basic routine: morning, revision plus formulas. Afternoon, go for revision with some practice. Evening, generally you will have a class or concept learning. And then night, you can go for a mock test analysis, as well as if you have something to plan for the next day, that you can do. Next, one day before exam. See, you cannot revise the whole syllabus one day before exam. So best way is to make a proper short notes. Generally, three part I will say in a short notes. One is the basic revision of for your short notes. Another one is the formula sheet. Another is the mistake notebooks. These three things, sometimes generally in a common word we say short notes, because student put all these three things in the short note itself. So these three things are very, very important for you, my dear, because see, every time you will not have that luxury to revise the whole class notes or whole textbook. Like maybe after 1 week you will have a PSU interview in future, and then you will not have that much time to revise the whole class notes. Then this then this short notes, formula sheet, I will say mistake notebook, all these will help you. So you have to make your own short notes. Do not copy paste from other, or do not take printout of toppers notes and all. No, you have to make your own handwritten notes so that it will be best suited for your revision. Okay, so this is something you have to do. Now I think all the information I have already shared regarding the best AA preparation strategy for the AI year 1. But last point which I am telling to all of you, say my dear, these steps which I told, many of you are already knowing these steps. But what makes different, or I will say what make you different, is that how you are using these suggestions, how you are implementing this suggestion, how you are working on these suggestions, how you are incorporating these suggestions for your GATE preparation. That matters. So if you are considering all these suggestions, my suggestion will be to all of you, the last suggestion: implement all this suggestion in a best possible way, then only you can get your best rank of yourself. Okay, so with that, if you are having any other doubt regarding the preparation, or any suggestion if you want, any guidance if you want, you have a dedicated channel of mine, Mrigank Sir PW. Here you can ask, or you can connect it with the GATE Civil Engineering and GATE Wallah channel for all the updates also. With that, thank you so much all of you. If you are from any other branch other than civil engineering, you have a other branch barcode also for the Telegram group. Chemical engineering, then mechanical engineering, EE, EC and IN for CS. So you have a separate branch Telegram channel where you can connect and to get all the updates regarding the GATE preparation. So I hope I have given enough information to all of you for the best, in my best possible abilities. So we'll meet for the another session. Till then, bye bye, take care, Jai Hind.